Good morning, it is Friday the 1st of December and it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. It's very cold today. The temperature is -3 degrees Celsius. I know that lots of you live in colder countries and you think that -3 is not very cold. But in Britain, anything below 0 is cold. So I'm wearing my gloves, my thick winter coat and my hiking boots, and I'm also wearing my Christmas jumper. I'm quite warm. I've just walked up this hill. There were lots and lots of steps to get up the hill, so I'm warm enough right now. I have my dog with me. He always loves to come for a walk, so of course he's with me. We are at the top of Mam Tor. Mam Tor is a hill near Castleton in the Peak District. I'll put a link to some more information in the description. We came here to film the sunrise, but as you can see, it's very foggy. So today I don't think we're going to see the sunrise. We will wait a little bit and see if it gets clearer, but we might just be filming ice and fog today. I thought we might be alone up here because it's very cold and it's early in the morning, but it's really busy. There are lots of people here. Big groups of people have walked up here to see the sunrise. It's a very popular place. The path is very easy, so lots of people have come here to watch the sunrise. I can see just a little bit of sunshine coming through the clouds. The view up here will be beautiful when the sun is out. It is a gorgeous view from up here, but we can't see it all yet. Hopefully we will see the sunrise very soon. If you enjoy walking in the countryside, you should visit the Peak District. There are lots of beautiful hills here. Lots of great places to walk. I live near here and I love it. I very often walk in the hills here. At the bottom of the hill you can see Castleton. Castleton is a tiny village. I have just noticed that my poor dog has ice on his fur. It's time to take him home. We are on our way down the hill and the sky is now a very pretty pink colour. The sun is finally rising. I am not at the top of the hill anymore. I had to come down. It was very windy and very cold, and my poor dog had ice on his fur and he had ice on his eyebrows, so I thought it would be better to bring him down. So we are watching the sunrise from the car park at the bottom of the hill. The sun is rising over there. You probably know that the sun rises in the east, so that direction is east. In front of me is north, to my right is east, behind me is south, and to my left is west. North, east, south and west. So this is called a sunrise. We can use sunrise as a noun. For example, This is a beautiful sunrise, and in the evening it's called sunset. So when the sun goes down, that's sunset. We can also use sunrise and sunset as times. For example, I went for a walk at sunrise, or the lights are switched on at sunset. Don't forget to like this video and tell me where you like to go walking. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time for more easy everyday English. Bye!